In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to create a button with a form. We're turning a standard form into a clean button that opens the form when clicked. This is great for keeping your page tidy while still collecting inquiries, signups, or feedback. Start by opening your Squarespace website and navigating to the page or section where you want the button to appear. Enter Edit mode by clicking Edit. You'll see the page areas highlight as you move your cursor around. Choose the exact spot where you want the button and click Add Block. In the block picker, select Form. This places a new form block in your layout. When the form settings open, you'll see configuration options. If you initially see fields right on the page, don't worry. We're going to change how it displays. Open the Design tab for the form. Look for the display options and switch the form to show as a button rather than an inline form. You can also set it to open in a Lightbox or pop-up style, so the form appears only when the button is clicked. Update the button text to something clear, like Open Form, Contact Us, or Get Started, so visitors understand what they're about to do. While you're in design, adjust the visual details so the button matches your site. Set the button size, alignment, and width. Choose the button style that fits your theme, and tweak corners or borders if offered by your template. Make sure the contrast is strong enough for readability and accessibility. This is also a good time to confirm spacing so the button doesn't crowd surrounding content. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Save to publish the changes. If you want to fine-tune anything, hover the block, reopen the form settings, and confirm your button text, display mode, and design choices. When everything looks right, exit the editor to view the live page. Now, test it. Click the new button. Your form should open smoothly. Check that the form title and fields are easy to understand, and that the close or back action is obvious to users. If something feels off, go back into Edit and adjust. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep the button label action-oriented, verify that it looks good on mobile, and make sure it stands out without overwhelming the page. If you plan to route submissions to email or another service, you can connect storage later in the form settings. Finally, consider enabling spam protection to keep your inbox clean.